Hey guys, today I'm so excited because we are launching our 2-minute hairstyles. So today I'm going to take you step by step on how to complete this cute hairstyle. I'm so excited. This is our first kickoff on our 2-minute Tuesdays. Now make sure you stay tuned till the end because we are going to be launching our Facebook group. All right, more information about our Facebook group is to come later in this video. But for now, let's go ahead and get started on our 2-minute Tuesdays. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Girls with the Curls. And if you're new here, thank you for joining us and please consider subscribing. So let's get to it.
2-minute tutorial. I'm going to show you how to do the Bantu knots. This is so exciting because they are cute, they're flirty, they're traditional style. It works well with really any kind of hair type. Now, not to confuse you, they are not knots. They are just these curled buns that sit on top of the head or the side of the head, wherever you choose. Now, in this tutorial, I will only be doing one knot on top of my daughter's head. So to prepare the hair in this video, I have actually already done the detangling process. If you've ever detangled curly hair before, you know it takes way more than 2 minutes. So during this 2-minute tutorial, we will not be actually detangling. Like I said, I've already done that. Now you want to have clean hair when you do Bantu knots. So the night before we went ahead and shampooed with a sulfate-free shampoo. And then of course we conditioned the hair. So all a Bantu knot is just a twist of hair. Make a square or whatever shape you want to make, tie it off with a ponytail, and then just simply start twisting the hair and then twist it in a circle. It will coil around itself. You want to tuck the ends under the Bantu knot, and then when you put the ponytail in, just ensure that it's reaching all the ends of the hair so it'll be tied down. There's so many options with this, how you want to part it in different ways. Of course, you can part the hair as many ways as you like and do as many knots as you like. So go ahead and have fun with it, play around with it. Of course, if you have more than 2 minutes, the great thing about this hairstyle is even if you did not have time to detangle, you can really just add some conditioner and wrap up the hair, and it's so simple. Adding conditioner will actually allow the child's hair to become more moisturized throughout the day. So if you do this in the morning, add some extra conditioner or moisturizer and wrap it up and then tie it up, and actually the ends will be pretty moisturized by the time the end of the day comes and you uncoil these coils. So if you want a shiny look, of course you do want to detangle, but again, in this 2-minute tutorial, we don't have time to detangle, so I just want to show you something quick if you're trying to head out the door and get this done. So this hairstyle actually lost a few days in my daughter's hair. Now I did have to redo the bottom each day and just moisturize, but at the top where she actually had the Bantu knot, it really stayed firm for a few days.
So please make sure you subscribe. That way every Tuesday you'll be notified of our 2-minute hairstyles that only take, that's right, 2 minutes to complete. And if you're new here, thank you for joining us, and please consider subscribing. That way you can follow us on our curly hair journey. We want to build a community of everybody coming together to share their tips, tricks, tutorials, anything that you know or any that you can offer. We want to hear from you. So go ahead and join now. That way our community will continue to grow and grow, and we'll be able to put more and more resources out there for everyone. Love you guys, and thank you so much for joining us. Bye-bye. Give us a thumbs up.
Give us a thumbs up, and we love you so much.
Bye-bye.